Tired of endless expense reports? Drowning in a sea of receipts? You're not alone. Many businesses struggle with the time-consuming process of employee expense management. But what if there was a simpler way? Enter Expensify, the revolutionary expense reporting platform that automates the entire process. Imagine a world where employees can snap a photo of their receipt and the expense report magically fills itself out. Sounds like a dream, right? Well, that dream is a reality with Expensify. But before you can reap the benefits of this powerful tool, you need to invite your employees to join the platform. So, how do you do it? Let's dive in. Log into your Expensify admin portal. This is your central hub for managing all things Expensify within your organization. Navigate to the Team or Users section. This is where you'll find the tools to add new employees. Choose your invitation method. Bulk upload, perfect for large teams. Simply upload a CSV file containing employee information like email addresses. Manual invitation, ideal for smaller teams or when you need more control. You can individually invite each employee by entering their email address. Customize the invitation email, personalize the message to your employees. Explain the benefits of using Expensify, such as time saving, automate expense reporting, and eliminate manual data entry. Increased accuracy, reduce the risk of errors, and ensure accurate expense tracking. Improved visibility, gain real-time insights into company spending. Enhanced security, protect sensitive financial data with robust security measures. Send the invitations, hit that send button and let the magic happen. Expensify will automatically send personalized invitations to your employees. Monitor employee onboarding, keep an eye on the invitation status. See which employees have accepted the invitation and which ones require follow-up. Provide support, be available to answer any questions your employees may have during the onboarding process. Offer assistance with the Expensify mobile app, the web interface, and any other features they may be unsure about. Additional tips. Timing is key. Send invitations when your employees are most likely to be receptive, such as at the beginning of the month or quarter. Keep it concise. Avoid overwhelming employees with too much information. Focus on the key benefits and how Expensify can make their lives easier. Offer incentives. Motivate employees to join Expensify by offering small incentives, such as a gift card or a company-wide lunch. Conduct training sessions. Organize brief training sessions to familiarize employees with the basic features of Expensify. By following these simple steps, you can easily invite your employees to Expensify and unlock the full potential of this powerful expense management solution. Streamline your processes, improve accuracy, and gain valuable insights into your company's spending. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.